Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can check your Tomarket allocation. You're going to learn how you can be able to check your Tomarket airdrop. You'll find out how many Tomarket token that was being allocated to you. So guys, want to know how to do this, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your Tomarket mining app. As you can see, I'm on my Tomarket mining app. So guys, now after that, the second thing you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see airdrop. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So what I'll do now is to tap on airdrop. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. Now what you have to do quickly is to tap on where you can see check your airdrop. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, checking your Tomarket. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see next. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there at the top. Want to get more TOMA and 100% token distribution. So guys, now if you want to do that, you can go ahead now to tap on where you can see buy premium medal. So let me tap on it right away. Let me just tap on it to show you guys what it's going to look like. So guys, now you can see it right here. For you to get it to Tomarket premium, you need to buy it with 1 ton, or you can buy it with 250 telegram stars. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now buying this Tomarket premium will give you more Tomarket token. So guys, now let me go back now. So guys, now you can see I'm back right here. So guys, the next step now you have to take now is to tap on where you can see skip and claim. By tapping on it now, you'll be able to see the amount of Tomarket airdrop that you have. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on skip and claim. Let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, can I see my Tomarket allocation? You can see the number of TOMA token that was being allocated to me. You can see it right there at the top. I have over 40,000 Tomarket token. You can see it right there. Let me get to read what is written there. Congratulations, you have claimed a total of 40,815 TOMA tokens. So guys, now this is simply how you can be able to check your Tomarket allocation. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.